Do I look like her? Hi friends! As you can see from the title of this video, I'm doing my makeup like Nella Rose. Why, you may ask? Honestly, I'm doing it because people be telling me that I look like her, and I personally don't think I look like her, but at the same time, I don't think I look like nobody. Like, it took me 6 years to accept the fact or to see that I look like one of my aunties. First, let's start with eyebrows. Eyebrows. I haven't done my makeup in like so long. I don't remember how to do my makeup. So I'm not going to be using the same products she's using. I'm just going to go with what I have. Did she brush? I think she brushed her brows first, but she didn't prime them first. She does everything so quickly. I don't know if she didn't speed up the video because we would hear it in her voice. She's fast. So when did I start watching Nella Rose? I started watching Nella Rose. I think it was because people were telling me like I look like her, and then I was like, who's Nella Rose? And that was like, I think like 3 years ago. Yeah, I think it was like 3 years ago. Okay, she brings it all the way down to her eyes. What? I didn't do that. I did not understand how she ended up with just everything so quick. I can't. Okay, so she did that. Set her eyes. Then we're gonna go and move on to the eyes. Let's go in with orange in the crease. You know I'm not good at eyeshadow. Like, I suck. Facial expression kill me. I can't even hear her right now, but her facial expressions are killing me. Okay. Sorry, I'm also going through my palette just because, you know, I'm not a big eyeshadow person. Therefore, I'm not really using these things. This is good, but I would mix it with the brown so then I can have like that color she has. That like brownish reddish that I don't have anywhere. I don't feel like. I feel like it's not supposed to be as red. No, it's supposed to be more brown. This is too. Wait. This is too red. A little more brown. Ooh, I think this is it. Okay, so she says that she uses a quite orange foundation. I have an idea of which foundation I'm going to use. Like I said, I'm not using the same products as she's using. I'm going to be using Maybelline One Cocoa. She puts her lashes first, but oh my god, can I do that? Oh my god. Okay, I said I would follow her ways of doing it. I just forgot lashes. So she wears super long lashes. I have lashes here that I ordered online from Kailash. I know you guys already heard about them from me. But yes, these ones are called Majestic and they're 25 millimeters. Very long. I'm legit flying away with this. I have to cut them. Oh my god, the end is so cute. Like, why? Arrête. I don't want to cut this. But it won't fit my eyes either way. Otherwise. Okay, let me finish my face. So yeah. Sorry, I'm so concentrated in this. I don't know why. But I'm super like focused. Oh my god. I don't know what's wrong with my right shoulder, but it's so like tired of me in a sense. That's the only way I could put it. But looking at me in the viewfinder, I feel like I look like a whole snack. Like, don't tell me anything. I still don't see the resemblance, honestly. This is so pigmented. Oh my god. What the heck did I just do? What the heck did I just do? What the freak, Nancy? Like, no, in no way, in no way. Okay, let me add more brown. Let me go ahead. Oh my god. This is so ugly. What the hell, Nancy? Let me keep blending that thing until like I get something that I like. My face is still freaking. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I don't know what's up with me today. I think it's just too early. I've never done my makeup this early. No, because I never worked at 9. Well, have I? I think I have. I feel like it's because my eyes are watering so much that come just who overlines her lips. I've never overlined my lips ever in my life. This is the first, okay? So don't judge. C'était midi soir. On était ensemble à la rue Princesse au village Makio. Je vais montrer qu'est-ce qu'elle met sur ses lèvres. And then, so let me look at my lip products and we'll go from there. I want to use this. They're making noise already. We've been up for like 10 minutes. And I think I have it. I'll be right back. I just want to like clean up my station a little bit and then come back to y'all. This is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it entertaining. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And Honestly, tell me in the in the comments down below if I look like Nella Rose. Like, do you think I look like Nella Rose? I hope to see you guys on my next one, and bye.